The hidden world of the rattlesnake. Get ready to meet a creature that warns before it strikes. The rattlesnake is one of nature's most fascinating reptiles, with its built-in alarm system and silent hunting skills. This snake lives in the deserts and forests of the Americas. Here are 100 intriguing facts that will change how you see this rattling predator forever. Rattlesnakes use the rattle on their tails to warn predators and humans. Their rattle is made of keratin, the same material as human fingernails. Each time a rattlesnake sheds its skin, a new segment is added to the rattle. They belong to the pit viper family and have heat-sensing pits to detect prey. Rattlesnakes can strike at speeds up to 2.5 meters per second. They usually hunt small mammals like mice, rats, and rabbits. They use venom to immobilize prey and begin digestion even before swallowing. Rattlesnake venom contains hemotoxins that break down blood cells. They rarely bite humans unless threatened or stepped on. Most rattlesnakes live in North and Central America. Arizona is home to the most species of rattlesnakes in the U.S. The western diamondback is one of the most recognizable rattlesnakes. Rattlesnakes can live up to 20 years in the wild. They are cold-blooded and rely on the sun for warmth. During winter, they hibernate in dens, sometimes with other snakes. Rattlesnakes are born with a button instead of a full rattle. They give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. Baby rattlesnakes are venomous from birth. They typically grow between 2 to 5 feet in length. The largest species can exceed 8 feet. They blend into their environment using camouflage. Their forked tongues help detect scents in the air. They taste their surroundings with their tongues. Rattlesnakes are ambush predators, waiting quietly for prey. They swallow prey whole by dislocating their jaws. Rattlesnake bites can be fatal to animals but are rarely deadly to humans with treatment. Antivenom is used to treat bites and is highly effective. Rattlesnakes shed their skin several times a year. Their eyes have vertical pupils, similar to cats. Rattlesnakes do not chase humans. Their bite is more dangerous to small children and pets. Rattlesnakes help control rodent populations. They are preyed upon by hawks, eagles, and king snakes. Some rattlesnakes can swim. They can climb low bushes and rocky slopes. Rattlesnakes communicate by body posture and rattling. In dry conditions, they may rattle less to conserve energy. They play an important role in the ecosystem. The Mojave rattlesnake has particularly potent venom. Desert rattlesnakes are lighter in color than forest species. They can fast for months after a large meal. Rattlesnakes avoid confrontation and prefer escape. Males fight during mating season to win over females. Female rattlesnakes may skip reproduction in tough years. They use thermal vision to hunt at night. Some species have more aggressive temperaments than others. The timber rattlesnake is found in eastern U.S. forests. The pygmy rattlesnake is one of the smallest species. Their fangs fold back when not in use. Rattlesnakes have a very strong sense of direction. They can return to the same den every winter. Humans have hunted rattlesnakes for skin and meat. Conservation efforts help protect endangered species. They are often misunderstood due to fear. Many rattlesnakes die on roads during migration. They sometimes dry rattle when out of segments. Juvenile snakes may not rattle at all. Scientists study rattlesnake venom for medical research. Their heart rate slows significantly during hibernation. They flick their tongues more when alert or stressed. Some people keep rattlesnakes in captivity for research. They are cold adapted for survival in cooler climates. They use hiding spots like rocks and logs. Some species are protected by law. Snake-proof boots and gaiters help hikers stay safe. Rattlesnakes can live near suburban areas. Education helps reduce snakebite incidents. They sometimes bask in roads to absorb heat. Captive rattlesnakes are used to produce antivenom. They may fake strikes as a warning. Their venom varies by species and region. They may rattle silently if the rattle is damaged. Their spine extends into the rattle. Bites are more common in spring and summer. They can go weeks without drinking water. Their kidneys conserve moisture efficiently. They rely on vibrations to detect approaching threats. Their scales are keeled, giving them a rough texture. Rattlesnake fangs are replaced regularly. They often rest during the heat of the day. No two rattlesnake patterns are exactly the same. Some native tribes viewed rattlesnakes as sacred. They are often portrayed in art and mythology. Movies and TV exaggerate their danger. Snakes shed skin to remove parasites and grow. They can digest bones and fur of their prey. Snakebite deaths are extremely rare with modern care. Venom dosage can be controlled in defensive bites. Their bite leaves to puncture wounds. Baby rattlesnakes have less control over venom release. Their breathing is quiet and undetectable. They are mostly solitary animals. They can go without food for months. Their eyes stay open even when they sleep. Their movement leaves distinct track patterns. Snakes use their ribs to move forward. They may share dens with other snake species. Fossil records date them back millions of years. They continue to evolve and adapt to climate changes. Rattlesnakes are survivors of harsh environments.